I can almost lift the weight. 1, 2. Hello guys, from Iacopelli and welcome back to my channel. Take a look what we have here. Bari style pizza, Neapolitan style pizza, but the most important thing is today here we are going to review BERTELLO Grande Pizza Oven. This is an unboxing and review video. If you like this, so take a look at this peel. Take a look at this peel. Big. So we're gonna make big things here today. Check out until the end, guys, and smash the like. Smash it. Let's go ahead and let's start with wrap everything up and let's open this box and see what's inside. Beast BERTELLO Grande. Let's see what's inside this box. I got, of course, the lid to cover for the weather. So nice and packaged. They come out with bigger pizza oven, bigger pizza peel. Oh man, look how big is this peel. Boom! Huge! I'm gonna go ahead and make a huge pizza today. Let's see the beast here right there. Finally, they come out with the bigger version. Ooh! Nice. Ooh. Nice and packaged. Beautiful, good looking box. Ooh. Oh, let me make some space here because this is gonna be interesting. So, BERTELLO Grande gas option. Gas adapter. Not sure what's this, but we're gonna find out. Instruction with the manual, the lid for the back, some fork to grab the meat or the pizza, maybe we're gonna find out later. Ooh, and that's it. Wow, it's big, guys. The pizza stone. This is probably for the wood option, for the ash, but we're gonna find out later on when we build it. Let's see how is the quality of the pizza stone. Boom. Beautiful, nice, good looking pizza stone. BERTELLO, of course, branded. And now it's me and you. Voila. Ooh, it's not that heavy. I can almost lift the weight. 1, 2. Wow, the quality insulation, I see it, but we're gonna go ahead and see this after when we are going to cook the pizza. Boom. Hopefully this table is gonna fit here. It's too big. That's a good problem to have. And voila, I was able to manage it and use this table, but definitely I'm gonna go ahead and buy another bigger table. Wow. I mean, the first one was really good, but this is a really good looking pizza oven. Wow, fantastic. So let's go ahead, let's build it up so it's so easy. And now is the time of the pizza stone. Wow, something I notice here very special is that the gas option gets F outside the pizza stone and F inside, which is this is gonna be a really great thing because it's going to warm up the pizza stone really quick and fast. That's the goal. Others have the flame that gets the flame from the top, so warms up the top of the stone a little bit slowly. But having the flame under and on top, it makes a really huge difference. So great job on this, BERTELLO. This is my first time see something like this under. So I can't wait to taste it and try how long it's gonna cook this. But I gotta figure out this. I need the manual. So this goes on here. So yeah. Okay, there we go. So basically they put this way. The heat of the flame is gonna go outside a little bit, so this way it doesn't basically warm up too much the bottom. Well, this is being studied really well. Outstanding. We have this thing here. This one goes first because if you want to put some pieces of wood on top, you can have some pieces of wood. So let's go ahead and let me put this back in. So basically I'm supposed to put that before. I mean, did you see what's this? Basically, when the oven is on, you get all the flame that comes out from here, and then this is to save the gas, just to create the pressure. So this is outstanding. And also, basically, if you want to put some piece of wood or charcoal here, you can. And then you just close this and you get the wood flame from here. I mean, it's outstanding. It's finally complete. So now it's time to go ahead, clean up everything and set up everything, because I'm going to make a special Bari style pizza to see if it's going to cook properly. And of course, we're gonna make the classic pizza. So get ready, sit down, watch until the end. Now it's time to subscribe and share this video. Guys, for this oven, check out the link below. And Bertello, you did an amazing job on it's huge. And now it's only one test left. Actually, it's two tests left. One, it's how long it's going to cook the pizza for, and the second one, the tasting. If this oven, it's approved by Maestro Iacopelli. It's time to go ahead and fire up. Here we're gonna see two things before we make the pizza. We're gonna go ahead and see how long it's gonna take for this oven to go in temperature. Let's wait, and then in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready with the pizza. And when it's ready, we're gonna go ahead and make the actual pizza. But I can tell you that the oven is going temperature really fast. Man, it's already at 300. It's going really quick in temperature. It's better that I move on and get ready with all the ingredients. If the oven goes in temperature really fast, you can go ahead and lower down the flame, because of course this oven comes with double speed flame. So I'm gonna go ahead actually for 15 minutes at the max temperature, and then I'm gonna lower down for another 15 and see how we are and where we are. I mean, guys, you need to see this. I mean, literally 5 minutes on the clock. 5 minutes. Take a look how fast it's going up the temperature. We are 700. Guys, this is 5 minutes. I'm joking here. Not joking. Better that I lower down the flame right now. Let me lower down the flame. And then let me get ready with the ingredients now. Okay guys, the pizza oven, it's ready. I want to show it to you. Also, I have some amazing pizza dough, and we're gonna make something special today. Two different pizza. So the first one is classic, of course, but first of all, we're gonna see if the oven after 30 minutes reached the temperature, because 30 minutes it took me to prep everything. So let's see how is the oven. Come here. Right now I have a lower temperature, and the oven is about 550, 600. That's perfect to make the pizza. We're gonna go ahead and make this pizza and see, no editing, how long it will take to cook the pizza. Voila guys, this is 90% hydration pizza dough. I'm gonna make the pizza a little bit bigger than usual, because this pizza oven is grande, so it's huge. And take a look how, wow, the fermentation. Whoa, come here. I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to mess it up. Tac, take a look. It's really super soft. I'm gonna go ahead, I use here F semolina, F flour. Go ahead, take off the flour, boom, boom, boom. I'm pressing the air to the crust. Voila. Like you can see, the pizza is already 12 inches, so it's bigger. I'm gonna make it even bigger. But remember, here, don't judge the pizza, we are judging the pizza oven. Let's make the classic margherita. A couple of scoops of tomato everywhere. Ooh, Parmesan cheese. A little bit of basil inside, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it outside. And then a lot of fresh mozzarella. Classic Neapolitan pizza. And now a little bit of special olive oil. Back here I have my wife here. She's saying make the pizza Bari style. So after this I'm going to do a Bari style and see how this pizza will be cooked. So guys, are we ready? So a little bit of flour on the peel. That done. Now pinch it and then boom, under. Oops, I gotta hold it under. Voila. Pizza is really soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a huge pizza. So guys, it's time to go in the oven. Okay, like you can see here, I put this camera. So now we go ahead and go the time, the moment of the truth. Voila, perfect. like you can see, I have this camera right there set up, so it's not gonna be editing on the time. So we're gonna see how long the pizza will cook. Insulation of the pizza oven is good. It gets really hot. Yeah, it gets really hot in the back, so don't touch it. Outstanding. And insulation, it got everywhere. This thing of the flame under, it's amazing. So we're gonna see how long it's gonna cook. I have the oven at the minimum temperature. I think I'm gonna put the flame a little bit upper. This way it cooks the bottom, the top. So I'm gonna wait that the pizza gets brown in one side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and turn it. So let's see how long it's gonna take. It's super easy because the door of the oven, it's wide, so I mean it's a lot of space. That's really comfortable. I like it because that. That's it. The pizza. 3, 2, 1. The pizza. It's lovely. It's lovely ready. Too much white here. Hold on. Too much white. Let me get you in this camera. The pizza is lovely ready. Judge the pizza come out. It cooked really well. So we're gonna go ahead and check out the bottom part. I mean, the pizza looks great. All good, fantastic, perfect. Just this slightly piece right here, because it was my mistake. I put it too much far away, and basically the pizza went on just outside the stone, so it got a little bit burnt. But the rest of the pizza, it looks amazing and perfect. So now I'm gonna put this on the side right here. I wanna make a special Bari style pizza now. I wanna see how this oven will handle the Bari style. There we go. So it's two ways to make the Bari style pizza, with a roller pin or without. But today I'm gonna go without because the dough is super soft. I mean, so this dough, because it's too much, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off a little bit. Because remember, the Bari style is super thin. Flour everywhere. When you make the Bari style pizza, don't be scared. So we're gonna press the opposite of the Neapolitan style. So we're gonna press the crust and then tap on top. Otherwise, if you press too much, you're gonna make a hole, because this pizza is really thin. So you see what I'm doing? I'm pressing like that. Now it's time to take off all the flour and press a little bit more, always on the side. Voila. I'm pressing to take off all the air. We want this pizza nice and flat. So remember guys, I'm making the pizza bigger. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit less tomato sauce on the Bari style. Tomato all the way, all over the plate. You can put a little bit of Parmesan, a little bit of basil. Fresh mozzarella first, everywhere. This pizza, it's a capricciosa with the pepperoni. So mushroom, olives, pepperoni instead of the prosciutto. This is very typical in Bari, where I'm from. And then we're gonna go ahead and put a lot of Parmesan on top. This way, this will make it crispy. Ready to go in the oven. Little bit of flour on the bottom. This one we're gonna go ahead and get it on the peel. Gentle, once it's on the peel, pinch it, and we're gonna make the shape that we want to. That's it. Now we can go in the oven. Make sure it's not stuck like this one. Put it down again and put it back on the peel. Be careful guys. That's what I did. See? Easy. Now we can go and put the pizza in the oven. This time I'm gonna put it right here. Boom! Voila! One shot. Let's put the oven at max. At the max, and see how long it will cook the Bari style pizza. So what I'm waiting here is that the pizza cooks on this side to be able to take it out. Make sure never touch the pizza if it's not, the dough on the bottom is not cooked. So right now the dough is cooked, so I can go ahead gently and get it again. See, pizza is cooking lovely. Turn it and put it back in the same exactly spot. Wow, this is definitely is coming out better. Of course, guys, the first pizza, it's always not perfect 100%. Remember that. So every time that you cook more and more pizza, the pizza oven will become better and better. Of course, this pizza you'll see now, it's already better than the first one. Remember that the pizza oven is brand new. Bari style needs to be cooked a little bit more than usual. To be ready. Of course, guys, the first pizza, let me take it out first. So the pizza, it's lovely ready. I'm super excited. Take a look of this pizza. Bari style definitely come out much better, and like you can see, the pizza, it's perfect. The pizza is perfect, lovely cook. Let's see the bottom part. See? The pizza, it's perfect, lovely cook. Yeah, not burn at all. When the pizza oven is new, the first pizza never come out perfect. This one also, it's really good. Like you can see, the bottom is good. I can say that this oven, it's really good. It works really fine and perfect. So I can't wait to use more. Thank you, Bertello, for creating such of amazing oven. It's big, like I said, the word grande means big. Right now, it's time to taste this pizza. This pizza is not for me. I don't really like mushroom, but can't wait. Like you can see, take a look of the slice. See, this is how we see that the pizza oven cooked the pizza well. See, the bottom is perfect, nice and crispy, and let's see, amazing. Definitely I'm going to try this pizza oven with also with a little bit of chips. If you are interested in this pizza oven, go ahead, link in description, or check out Bertello here, the link. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I can't wait to see what is gonna come out next, and wait, I'll see you next week.